Hello and welcome to the new video. This video we'll be learning to make a design in Adobe Illustrator by using some new tools for the beginners and the advanced users. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, I'll be making some lines, some horizontal lines. So for that, I will be selecting the line segment tool, and by holding shift, I will create a line like this. By pressing alt and shift, I will make a copy of it. And I will duplicate it like this. Now I'll select all of these lines and I will expand it. Oh, I'll increase the stroke size. In. Now I'll choose the tree transform tool and tilt it a little bit like this. Oh, I will add these lines, the symbol, click on OK, then we'll delete it. Take a circle by pressing the shortcut key L. We'll delete this part. Now by selecting it, we'll click on Effect, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, and Revolve. Click on Map Art. We'll select the symbol that we have added. And now we'll click on Invisible Geometric, Scale to Fit, and click on OK. Then click on OK. Now we need to expand it. We need to ungroup it. Again, ungroup it. That was a mistake. We need to ungroup it. And then we need to release, click on Release Clipping Mask. So there are some shapes now that we need to delete. Now we will cut the front shape, that is this shape. We will cut it by selecting Control and X. Now we'll select this shape and click on Unite Pathfinder tool. Now we will paste our shape in the front in this. Now we'll change its colors and we will add some gradients. So I will be adding some gradients and I will be giving the color code in the description of the video. You can check it. Be giving this up and this one. Like this. And to the back shape, I will add the same gradient. I'll be reversing it. That's how we have created a shape in Adobe Illustrator. And you can also create this shape. Now we'll group it and we can rotate it a little bit. And just looking amazing. It's a very beautiful shape. Creating this shape, we have learned a lot of tools. So if you have learned from this video and if you have liked this video, hit on the like button and subscribe to the channel and keep supporting. Thank you so much. Have a very lovely day. Bye.